Hey, welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you how to create eye-catching retro text posters in just a few clicks. Click the Create button, then type Poster and press Enter. Browse the available templates and select one that fits your needs. For this example, choose a landscape-oriented template to get started designing your poster with the correct layout. Type the element name in the search bar to quickly find and select what you need. Type Retro Skateboard Poster into the search bar. Hit Enter to see results. Browse the templates and choose your favorite design. Click the template to open it in the editor. From here, you can customize the text, colors, and graphics as needed. When you're satisfied, click Download and select your preferred file format to save your finished poster. Click the Generate button. Your content will appear instantly. Select the item you want to work with. To adjust its size, click and drag any corner to enlarge it as needed. Alternatively, you can reposition the item by clicking and holding, then moving it wherever you prefer within the workspace. Make sure everything looks right before moving on. Center the image, then click Edit. From the menu, select Magic Expand. Finally, click to apply the effect and watch your image expand instantly. Go to the Home tab and click Expand. This opens the style options. Here, you'll see different choices, including the retro poster style. Select the retro poster to apply to your content, and instantly update your project with the new look. Select this option, then click Done. Next, click the Share button and choose Download. This will save your file to your computer for easy access later. To save your design, select PNG for digital use, or choose PDF print for high-quality prints. Click the Download button to export your file instantly. Learned how to design a retro text poster in Canva? Give it a try, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative tips.